Evaluating functions. Evaluate the following function, and you're given f of x equals x squared minus 2x. Find f of 3. So I want you to take a second and try to work this math out for yourself. But if you get stuck, I'm going to offer you a couple steps. Here's the first step. Substitute 3 for x in the original function. So you're going to take this 3 and you're going to plug it in. There goes your 3, and you want to plug it in for x anywhere you find x, which is there and there. Now you wind up with f of 3 equals 3 squared minus 2 times 3. And I want you to notice that 3 is plugged in for x. So now we can check off the first step, which brings us to step number 2. Evaluate the function at f of 3. So f of 3 equals 9 minus 6. Because we squared 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Let's continue to simplify. F of 3 equals 9 minus 6, which gives you 3. And 3 is your final answer. So we'll check off the second step. And we're going to continue to work and get better and stronger at mathematics.